Okay, so in this video I will unbox this ZEERA MagSafe Kickstand Case for iPhone 12, 13 and 14, and it will have also a special ring holder on the back side. That will be interesting to try, and I will test it on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this is the clear version of the case. You also have one black, but this is the clear version. Let's start by removing this case I have. This is the Apple original leather case for iPhone 13 Pro Max. I bought it just to be able to read books better by be able to hold it like this when reading on the sides because of these edges of the case. It makes it so easy to hold while reading a book with this. So this case will also be for reading, and I will show you why later on in the video. But let's remove this case first. Sorry, maybe I broke the display there. Hopefully not. As you see, it's still unbroken, but this is the case, the leather case that this will replace, and I will use this case hopefully the whole summer for reading books on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So nice packaging so far, a bit simple packaging maybe. As you see here, iPhone 13 Pro Max, the one I have. And as I said, a clear case. Like so. And here we have the special ring holder that will be like a case and a stand, and also for holding the phone easier on the back side, as you see. And it supports MagSafe. That's nice. Looks really cool and nice so far. Let's put my iPhone 13 Pro in it then. Like so. And I have that off like this. As you see now, it's a clear case, so you see the back side of my phone a bit at least. And if I lift this up, you also see the Apple logo a bit there, as you see. And it also have a metal protection around the camera bump on the back side. That's really nice. And on that it says 100% focus pixels. That's nice. And I think it will still work. All the buttons on the side, as you see here. Volume button works, and so on. So I think this case could be nice to have. It protects even when you have it on this way. And you, as I said before, you can have it like a stand like this if you want. Or you can have it also like this, watching movies, YouTube videos or whatever. And you can also have it like this when reading. And that is the way I will try to use this, because I want an easier way holding the phone while reading. But you can also hold it like I did with the leather case from Apple in the sides, because you have a larger side now. So you can hold it like this. It feels a bit plastic on the back side. It's because it is plastic though, but not as slippery as other cases. That's good. So let's try with a book. Here we have a book I'm reading, and now I'm holding it like this while reading. Feels quite good. You can hold it in different way while reading. You can hold it like this. You can hold it one finger through it like this. Feels very stable. Like that. So this could be a great case for reading books on your iPhone 13 Pro Max or iPhone 12 or 14. That's nice. And I can of course read a book like this. I can read a book like this if I want. Don't need to hold it. That's good if you have this.
Another caller urged. They left their muck in there.
Because now it will turn pages automatically for you when reading. So now I don't need to hold the phone while reading. I can just look at the screen. That's really, really nice. So, as you saw there, it turned the page. So this case could be really nice for reading books. You can have it on any surface and have this as a stand, as you see. You can have it as a stand. Really nice. Love it so far. That's good. One thing left to try, and that is how strong the MagSafe is on the back side. Here I have Apple's original leather wallet with MagSafe. And then, really strong magnets. Yes, but it glides a bit in the side though. It doesn't do that on the leather case, but the magnets are very, very strong. So I don't think it's a risk dropping it off the phone when using it. Really strong magnet, so I like that. The magnets are very strong. So it will work good for charging and having different accessories like this MagSafe wallet. So that works good too. So I like the case so far. You find links down below in the description where to buy this case. And you can also watch their webpage for other cases. They have a lot of different cases. So, okay, bye.